In the country of Laos, Adventists are emulating Jesus' ministry of healing. As church members in the city of Shangkwang meet their community's physical needs, the people see more and more of Jesus' love through them. One of the local Adventists' most basic practices is massage therapy. They receive training in proper massage techniques and have had great success in treating a variety of health problems. Many patients even travel long distances from their mountain villages to be treated. But not all villagers can make the trip into the city, so Adventists get together often to visit them in the mountains. The difficult trek usually takes them on bad roads, but church members are determined to reach the villagers because they care about the villagers' needs. A specific health problem church members have encountered among the Hill Tribe people is a blood disease called Thalassemia. It requires patients to receive blood transfusions. Unfortunately, more and more people in the region are found with this disease. Adventists do everything they can to support the families of these patients. They visit them in their villages and invite them to the city where there is access to medical care. Since many of the villagers can't afford this, church members do their best to provide for the expense of traveling and blood transfusions. They are currently supporting 42 patients, and the number keeps growing. It's common for families to accept the church members' offer to go to the hospital. When the families visit, they have no place to stay, so the pastor opens his home to anyone who needs accommodation. The pastor's humble home can only fit 1 or 2 families at a time. Family members sleep on the floor wherever there is space. Once the patient goes to the hospital, church members visit them regularly to see how they are doing. As local families get to know the Adventists, a lot of them ask for prayer. They ask why Adventists are so compassionate and caring. Many of the families have begun attending church as a result of hearing about Jesus. This congregation has gained more than 60 members in just the past few years, with some church members riding as far as 50 kilometers by motorbike to worship each Sabbath. Through Christ's method of healing, Adventists in Laos are acting as God's hands, reaching out to the people around them. Please pray for their efforts to show love and compassion to the sick. Pray for church members in Shangkwang who face challenges every day. Thank you for supporting mission.